Have you taken Per Diem as a company driver? Share your experiences in the comments. Let's help each other make smart financial decisions. Follow Ghost Dog Trucker for tips and strategies on taxes, trucking, credit, managing your money. Turn on your notifications, stay ahead of the game, and learn the things they don't teach you in trucking school. The truth about taking Per Diem as a company driver. Taking Per Diem as part of your company payment package may sound like a great way to save on taxes up front, but it's important to understand this decision can impact your financial future. So let's break it down so you can make an informed choice. What does Per Diem mean for a company driver? When your company offers Per Diem as part of your paycheck, it's essentially an untaxed portion of your wages meant to cover daily expenses like meals, lodging. While this reduces your taxable income, it comes with significant downsides that you should consider. What are some of the downfalls of taking Per Diem as a company driver? It makes you look like you earn less on paper. While you save money on taxes, the untaxed portion of your income doesn't show up as earned income on your W-2. Why does this matter? When applying for loans, mortgages, or credit cards, lenders use reported income to determine eligibility. A lower reported income can result in loan denials or smaller loans. Your Social Security benefits and unemployment compensation are also based on your reported income. Per Diem could hurt you in the long run. Example, if your base pay is $60,000, but $15,000 is classified as Per Diem, your W-2 will only show $45,000 as taxable income. This low figure can complicate getting approved for a mortgage or securing a good interest rate. You miss out on tax breaks. Unlike owner-operators, company drivers don't get the same tax deductions for expenses. The Per Diem you receive isn't something you can claim on your taxes. It's simply untaxed income. Owner-operators benefit more because they can deduct Per Diem expenses directly from their taxable income, which provides real financial relief. For company drivers, this tax break was eliminated in 2017 by the Tax Cut and Jobs Act. Many drivers don't realize that while Per Diem saves them money up front, they could end up with less take-home pay in the long run if they don't budget properly. Here's a pro tip. Treat Per Diem as part of your paycheck, not bonus money, and allocate it wisely for road expenses and savings. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Weighing the pros and cons, how Per Diem can help if budgeted correctly. If you save and track your Per Diem, it can help offset road expenses without dipping into your regular paycheck. By staying disciplined, you can use your Per Diem to build an emergency fund, pay down debt, or even save for a future down payment. Why I don't recommend Per Diem for company drivers? Per Diem benefits don't work the same for company drivers as they do for owner-operators. It's not a tax deduction, and it can hurt you when trying to show proof of income. For most company drivers, the long-term disadvantages like reduced Social Security and loan approval issues outweigh the short-term tax savings. Take control of your finances. Before accepting Per Diem as part of your pay package, consider these steps. Ask questions. Understand how much of your income will be classified as Per Diem and what that means for your W-2. Plan ahead. Create a budget that accounts for road expenses, savings, and long-term financial goals. Know your numbers. Talk to a financial advisor to see how Per Diem could impact your credit worthiness, mortgage eligibility, and retirement. Have you taken Per Diem as a company driver? Share your experiences in the comments. Let's help each other make smart financial decisions. Follow Ghost Dog Trucker for tips and strategies on taxes, trucking, credit, managing your money. Turn on your notifications, stay ahead of the game, and learn the things they don't teach you in trucking school. Like I always say, be safe and enjoy your ride.